I'm Josh, and welcome to the first episode of Scenic Rides in Kansas City with Shifter Photography. It is the first week of January, which generally means pretty cold weather here in KC, but on this particular afternoon it was in the 50s and a perfect day for a ride around Wyandotte County Lake Park on my 2017 Honda Rebel. Even in the winter, this is a beautiful place to ride, hike, and enjoy nature. Now I'm going to shut up in a moment and let you enjoy the ride, but I wanted to point out that on this day the lake was loaded with birds. As I go over the dam here in a couple of minutes, you may be able to make out a few hundred or so grouped up on the water. Alright, done narrating, enjoy the ride. And that's it. We've gone all the way around Wyandotte County Lake Park. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. While you're at it, follow my photography on Instagram at Shifter and on Facebook at Shifter Photography. I hope you join me for the next Scenic Ride in Kansas City.